Nice one. That was nice one, man. That's all I needed right now. Yo, I lost my phone. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry because I wasn't uploading lately. I had a lot of work in school and I was busy, and was constantly raining. Like, it rained 1 week straight. Today is a sunny day, so it's time to ride my dirt bike. I'm gonna ride some enduro, or I will try to ride some enduro because I suck at that. And yeah, if you have any questions about me, ask me out in Instagram. I have frayer.brand. Follow me, ask some questions. No luft. So yeah, let's go straight to the riding. I guess I will try to ride up there. First time I'm here, so I really don't know where to go, but I love the nature, so let's explore it with the electric bike, of course. Hopefully I'm recording. Boom, boom, boom. So let's try. Really slippery, man. Pure dreams, boys. Oh yeah. Oh, a squirrel! Come here! In my rear tire I have too much pressure, so it's slipping. Oh yeah! Come on! Let's try further. Whoa. Whew. Or I should go there. I don't know, but seems the better way. But look it, let's try it. But I'm stuck now. Yeah, I'm totally stuck. Like this. I go on that side somehow. That's not good. going, boys. Let's climb. That wasn't me. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Let's rest a little. Oh. Hoo-wee! Yo. Masakr totalny. Yo.